Kamachielo piny owacho mamalo koro ikwayo mondo mi okonyane jopiny e yore mag nyayo chiemo mondo mi ogol oko manore mar bedo kod chiemo ma osemiyo inyierogi e pinje maoko. Joket mwandu e sekta mar pur oro kwayo ne piny owacho mago mag kor gwenge bende mondo mi onywak lwedo e puonjo jopiny e yore mag pur manyasani mondo okonygi e medo keyo magi. Joket mwandu go nomedo ni giseluorore e yorego mago e nyasi mopogore opogore mano e kaunti ma Nandi ka gipuonjo jopiny yore manyasani mag pur ka giwacho ni mohingo jopur 10,000 mawuok e kauntis 5 osekonyore koluwo kanyo chenro ma itayo pacho kae wechego mag pur.
Because we have counties in Kenya that are bread baskets, so we should work within those counties, support them so that they can support the other areas that are not bread baskets.
Let us all co-create. Let us work together in designing our projects together so that we can be able to share with you the challenges that we have, synergize the efforts that the development partners and the national government want to bring in together with the efforts by the county governments so that we can all co-create projects that addresses the real challenges and the real priorities across our country.
Today it's a great privilege to be here for the launch of a new program called Boost, but it's not exactly new. It's building on all the knowledge that has been built over years in partnering with county governors, with IFAD, with the Ministry of Agriculture and of course with FAO and with entrepreneurs and farmers over years, looking into what works, what doesn't work and how to modernize agri-food system, food production.
This particular project, even under this case of CRAL, soil testing is also being done to ensure that the farmers understand the nature of their soil.